Alright, so we're gonna do instant beef plov. It's gonna be with brown rice, it's gonna be with some beef, onions, garlic. I'm gonna try and follow the recipe as close as I can. Let's see how I do.
The cooking this recipe goes fast, so I love to prep all of my ingredients ahead. Peel and thickly julienne 3 large carrots. Now peel and dice 1 large onion, and it may seem like a lot of onion, but seriously, it disappears into the rice once it's cooked and adds so much flavor. Now you'll need 1 whole unpeeled head of garlic. Cut it in half crosswise. I know it's a strange way to cut garlic, but you'll see it's genius. I love that the Instant Pot has a saute setting, which means everything happens in one pot. To start cooking on high heat, push saute twice. Pour in 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and when the oil is hot, add 1 pound of beef cut into bite-sized pieces. Saute, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes or until lightly browned, then add 4 tablespoons of butter and your chopped onion. Stir and saute for about 3 minutes or until the onions are softened. Now stir in your julienned carrots, then add all of your seasoning. You'll need 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of ground coriander.
Sea salt.
Stir that together and saute another 5 minutes or until the carrots are softened. Meanwhile, rinse and drain your rice, and once the carrots are softened, spread the rice evenly over the top. Do not stir the rice in. Push your garlic cloves cut side down into the rice. Now pour in 3 cups of very warm or hot water, and I try to pour over the garlic cloves so I don't disturb the rice. Use the back of a wooden spatula to poke holes all the way to the bottom of the pot. This helps to disperse flavor while it's cooking. Push the multi-grain setting or cook on manual high pressure for 30 minutes. And the Instant Pot does the rest while you use this time to do important life activities. Once the 30 minutes are up, let it rest and naturally depressurize for 10 minutes before switching to the venting position to release the steam. Make sure the steam is fully released and the float valve has floated down before opening the pot. Finally, although it really doesn't take very long in the Instant Pot, but we're gonna do the taste test. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, and it smells so good in my kitchen. This is seriously the easiest way to make plov. The meat is just like fall apart tender and delicious, and most people will probably not even guess that that's brown rice. It's just cooked to perfection. Delicious. So I'm gonna take out the garlic.
Wow, it's like all mushy. I think I put too much water in here. It looks good. Spoonful of this. See how it tastes. Get a little bit of beef. But it's kind of like mushy. So I don't know if I did it wrong.
Are you guys as excited as I am right now? Yum.
Definitely needs more, less water, more salt. Because all the seasoning I put in, I thought it'd be enough, but I didn't want to put too much. But it's kind of bland, to be honest. So give this a, I don't know. In terms of like following the recipe, I thought I followed it, but in terms of taste, probably like a 2.5 out of 5.
Because it makes it beautiful, adds a little pop of flavor and color. All right, here we go. Get a little meat on.